I wanted to get into the drawing program because it was part of the CPS, which is computer programming, and I wanted to get more experience with more computer items, and drones seemed like a good place to start. I may seem like a big computer nerd, but I actually like art too much, and photography is part of that. It's a whole new perspective. You're like looking out the eyes of a bird, and it's pretty amazing. I'm glad I came back to this college because it's right across the street, it's easy access, and most of the classes I've been in are very, I guess you would say, fun to be in. Career education means to me that you go to a college to get educated for a certain career rather than going through all the role of every single course you can take and then suddenly you have no idea what you want to do. Coming back to college is the first step in helping me get my career. Career education. Find it and be it.